Welcome to this video on the concept that kindness is not just an abstract idea, but a powerful, practical input in our complex systems. Let's explore how systems, safety, and our shared humanity intersect. What if we treated kindness as a core input to our systems? When we stop viewing kindness as merely a theoretical or future goal, and start seeing it as an immediate, actionable input, we can drive better outputs. In any engineering process, inputs define outputs. If we view our human systems through this lens, introducing kindness as an intentional input could fundamentally shift the entire process and its results. Engineering is fundamentally a human endeavor. From designers and technicians to students and the communities we serve, people are the essential element that makes any system functional. Safety is kindness in its most physical form. It's about protecting one another by wearing PPE, guarding machines, following procedures, and stopping unsafe work. Simply put, safety matters because people matter. The classroom is also a system, composed of teachers, students, and teams. In this space, every interaction is an input that shapes the learning environment for everyone involved. Kindness does not mean sacrificing standards. It can still demand extreme precision. When we fall short of a target, the kind approach is to fix it, measure it, own the mistake, and learn to do better. Correction can be an act of kindness. The goal isn't to bury an error, but to use it as a learning moment to improve the process and return a better result. Even our words act as inputs that change our systems. Choosing to say, "Let's find the mistake," instead of "that's stupid," fundamentally alters the tone and effectiveness of our communication. Interactions propagate. A single moment of kindness, or a single error, can travel much farther through a network than we might initially perceive. The effect of our actions often keeps moving long after the first step. Systems often act as amplifiers. A small, focused input of kindness can lead to a disproportionately large, positive effect across the entire system. Kindness can create a positive, recursive loop. By improving communication and cooperation, we build trust, which in turn leads to better outcomes and even more opportunities for kindness. The loop works both ways. Destructive inputs like disrespect can create negative cycles, leading to distrust, withdrawal, and more mistakes. It is vital to recognize these patterns early. When a system is caught in a negative cycle, someone must intervene. Kindness serves as the intervention, a different input that can effectively break the chain and change the trajectory of the outcome. Finally, remember that kindness is not passivity. It is an active intervention. It means speaking up, setting boundaries, telling the truth, and protecting others. Thank you for watching this video on the power of kind interventions. To truly integrate kindness into our systems, we must design the environment itself, rather than just relying on slogans. A thoughtful design ensures that being safe, clear, accountable, and human is the standard operating procedure. It is important to remember that whatever we send out into our systems goes somewhere. Your actions and the culture you build affect someone else, and those impacts often continue to ripple forward. Ultimately, the path forward is straightforward. Be kind, match the tone, and build with care. When you do, you'll find that kindness delivers exceptional results. Thank you for engaging with these ideas. The signal is what lasts, and your commitment to kindness, clarity, and well-designed systems makes a lasting difference.